I've led international group trips for years, and planning used to be overwhelming, but once I found fellowship travel, everything changed. I wasn't sure how they'd handle a multidisciplinary program, but from the very first brainstorming session, they made it easy. Hands-on activities, expert guest speakers, even the flights, all tailored to my goals and my budget.
Organizing trips isn't my full-time job, so I appreciate how much FTI's tools simplify everything. Ubi, their online portal, makes it easy to manage payments, track participants, and stay on top of deadlines. It even monitors unused ticket credits for me.
What stands out most? The people. FTI's team is fast, experienced, and genuinely supportive. You can tell they care. We've leaned on their 24/7 support more than once, and they have always come through. FTI isn't just a travel provider, they're a true partner invested in our success.